Hola amigos, welcome to a new Spanish lesson. Today you're going to learn three meanings of the verb ponerse. Empecemos. So the first meaning I want to teach you is to put on. It's generally used when talking about clothes. For example, ayer me puse una camiseta blanca. Yesterday I put on a white t-shirt. Ayer me puse una camiseta blanca. ¿Qué te vas a poner para la fiesta? What are you going to wear to the party? Or literally, what are you going to put on before going to the party? ¿Qué te vas a poner para la fiesta? Another meaning of the verb ponerse is to start, especially when the action is spontaneous and unexpected. In this case, we need the construction ponerse plus the preposition a plus the infinitive form of the main verb. For example, de repente él se puso a cantar. Suddenly he started singing. De repente él se puso a cantar. Or de repente ellos se pusieron a cantar. Suddenly they started singing. De repente ellos se pusieron a cantar. Okay, the third meaning of the verb ponerse is to become, to turn, to get, to acquire a new quality. For example, no te pongas triste. Don't be sad or don't get sad. No te pongas triste. Cuando oímos la noticia, nos pusimos muy contentos. When we heard the news, we were really glad. Cuando oímos la noticia, nos pusimos muy contentos. Se puso frío y se puso a llover. It turned cold and started to rain. Se puso frío y se puso a llover. Alright amigos, that was all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you wish to have private Spanish lessons with me, you can leave a message on my website, which you'll find in the description section down below. Eso fue todo. Gracias y nos vemos en otra clase. Chao.